Hey guys, it's Dana. Welcome back to another episode of the Silly Girls Kitchen. On this week's episode, we're making low-calorie white chicken chili. This is a wonderful alternative to those really hearty and delicious heavy-based tomato chilies. But let's be real, I'm on another diet. I know I say diet, but it's a lifestyle change, you guys. I'm really trying this time, and I do say that every 6 months, but it's for real. So this has really helped me this winter. It has all the wonderful flavors of a chili, but it's white chicken chili. And it's made with chicken stock, white meat chicken, Great Northern beans, and corn, and that's about it. And you let it simmer, and your house smells amazing. So let's get started. So I am using my Dutch oven once again. I love using this for chilies or soups, and we're adding boneless, skinless chicken breasts to it. We're going to cover it with chicken stock and some water. Also some tomato chicken bouillon or regular bouillon, ground cumin, ground paprika, dark chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, chipotle powder, which I love, 1 bay leaf, and we're just going to mix that all together. And we're going to let that come to a full boil. Then we're going to cover it and let it simmer for 1 hour to get the chicken really, really tender. Once it's done simmering for an hour, we're going to take the chicken out and let it cool to the touch. We're going to shred it up or dice it, whatever you prefer. We're going to add it right back to the Dutch oven, which I already have my 1 ear of corn, which is about 1 cup of corn and 1 can of Great Northern beans. Mix it all together. We're going to mash up an additional 1 can of Great Northern beans and add that right into the chili. That makes it a little bit more thick. We're going to bring it back up to a boil. I'm going to add a cornstarch slurry, which is equal parts of water and cornstarch mixed together. And we're going to add it and then bring it back up to a full boil. Make sure you stir so nothing sticks on the bottom. Stir occasionally, and we're ready. Okay, the soup is done. I just took it off the heat. It smells amazing in this house, you guys. And I just want to let you know, whenever you do use a cornstarch slurry, you have to make sure that it comes all the way back up to a boil, because at that point is when the cornstarch actually does its job and thickens properly. And I added that to this chili. You don't normally add that to chilies, but since this is a chicken chili, this is a little more of a brothy style. I wanted to still have like that thickness of a normal chili. And now we're just going to taste to adjust seasoning if necessary. Do this for any recipe. You want to make sure it tastes good before you serve it to your people, right? Let's try. Well, personally, I think this is perfect. But of course, if you like it a little more spicy, feel free to add like sriracha hot sauce or even more of that chipotle powder. And I love chipotle powder. It gives an extra nice spicy yet smoky kick. I really think you need to get that for this recipe, guys. Okay, so now for the epic toppings. Like any chili, my favorite part is adding all the yummy toppings. You can make it your own. But since this is a lightened up version of a chili, I'm not gonna go crazy with the toppings, but let's just ladle it up here. Guys, this is so good on a cold day. And it has all those flavors from a regular chili, both chicken and beans and the corn. The corn just adds that little sweetness. So I love to add a little bit of sour cream, some fresh cilantro. All you cilantro haters, whatever, you do you. And then I like to sprinkle on a little bit more chipotle powder right on top. I just think it looks pretty, and I like the extra heat, personally. So let's try it all together. A little bit of everything. I love the freshness cilantro brings. Oh, you guys, I cannot tell you how good this is. Normally, I would add a whole bunch of cheese to my tomato-based chili, but the little addition of the sour cream to this gives that rich, creamy mouthfeel that you would find in a more heavy chili. It's perfectly silky smooth. Oh, it is so good, and there's so many spices, it just bursts in your mouth. I know you guys will love this recipe. Please give it a try. So thanks so much for stopping by today, you guys, and for another episode of this Silly Girls Kitchen. As always, remember the free, full, printable recipe for this low-calorie chicken chili will be in the description box below. So I hope that you feel the need to subscribe, hit the notification bell, because every single Wednesday we do have a new episode here on the Silly Girls Kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys!